Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 6960 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to type in HP OfficeJet 6960 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet Pro 6960 all-in-one printer series. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to go underneath the support category that's the software and drivers. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to scroll down again underneath HP Easy Start Printer Setup Software. It should be a pretty recent file in here. Select Download. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file. Give it a moment to extract. And if you receive a user account control prompt, should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the on-screen wizard here for the HP Easy Start application, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.